Welcome to Donuts and Diners, a special road tour edition. Now, we have arrived in Knoxville. We've arrived at the donut shop. I can't wait to go in here. It's called the donut shop, so it's got to be good, right? So let's go in here and check them out. All right, so this place opened just right at the beginning of the pandemic. Not a good time to open up a donut shop, but they are here and they're now going big time. All right, there's so many, I can't decide, but I know for sure that I've got to go with one of these apple fritters, because there's apple fritters and then there's apple fritters. And this apple fritter is completely topped with caramel sauce. If you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button. Also get the notification bell, the big thumbs up like there. Give us some comments down below. All that stuff really helps the channel. I think she told me that was a Nutella with toasted coconut. I bet my wife will like that. I'm gonna order her one of those. I'm gonna get a Nutella. I'm gonna get one of these apple fritters. And I think the Boston cream. All right, so we're getting those three. We're gonna see what they're like. All right, I have my box with my donuts. Look at that. Okay, 3 donuts just about fill up this entire box. That tells you how big they are. I've been told that this apple fritter is 2 donuts worth of dough.
You gotta be kidding me.
Apple fritter has to weigh, I don't know, half a pound. Just look at that. Generally a Boston cream donut, and the reason I chose this is because this is different. Generally you'll see a Boston cream and it's a completely non-whole donut in the middle. Then the Boston cream's completely inside. Now this one's a little bit different. This is like a regular donut, but the hole's not cut all the way through, allowing them to put the Boston cream on the outside. That way you know you've got filling. Smell-o-vision. You wish you had it right now. Oh, bonus. Look at this. You get a donut and a donut hole. Professional. Boston cream donut hole. Yes, yes. Look at that, guys. You know, that cinnamon, big chunks. See the chunks of apple? Oh, okay, that could be the best apple fritter I've ever had in my entire life. You've got to get this. Okay, guys, so there's a really nice lady working behind the counter here. Her name is December, and my box is empty, but I'm gonna go up and see if she'll do. I think they do free refills here, so I'm gonna go see if she'll refill my box. Well, I've got disappointing news. They don't do free refills, but their donuts are so good, I'm gonna have to go up and buy more. I've gotta buy more. Well, I did get at least a refill in my box, but I did pay for it, and worth every single penny. Guys, this is worth traveling for these apple fritters. This apple fritter could be world famous. That apple fritter. Okay, I know I say this every time I have an apple fritter, but that one was the best I've ever had. The best I've ever had. Guys, let me tell you, if you are ever in the Knoxville area, I'm talking anywhere close to Knoxville, do not miss the donut shop. I can see why they named it the donut shop, because their donuts are amazing. And until next time, we'll see you. Now we're off to our next destination.